गुड इवनिंग दोस्तों, नमस्कार। आपका स्वागत है इन फैशन की लाइव वीडियो में। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू bring few nice collections for you, a little on the winter side, something that you can comfortably wear in winters. It will keep you a little cozy. So we have our new collections that we have added. I'm just going to share few things with you here. It's not possible to share all the samples, all the designs here on live video. However, I will keep trying to share my products here. But for to explore more, you can check our Facebook page. The link is given in the description. You can check our Instagram page. That too has been mentioned in our description. You can check our Google page. That too is there in the description. You can WhatsApp us. I have given my WhatsApp number in the description. You can send any query. You can check for any design. You can check for prices. You can check for sizes. जो भी आपकी क्वेरी हो, वट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू नो, आप डिज़ाइंस, साइजेस, कलर्स के बारे में जो भी पूछना चाहते हैं, आई विल ट्राई कि मैं आपसे जितना जल्दी हो सके आपकी क्वेरीज को मैं व्हाट्सएप पे या अपने फेसबुक पेज के थ्रू मैं उन पे रिप्लाई करूं। तो फ्रेंड्स, शुरू करते हैं। हम शुरू करेंगे, हम थोड़ा सा मिक्स एंड मैच करेंगे। हम एक दो कुर्तियां देखेंगे, कुछ बॉटम सेट्स और कुछ हम जैकेट्स देखेंगे, फुल में, हाफ में। हम पैंट्स लेके आए हैं इस बार आपके लिए, हम आपको पैंट्स दिखाएंगे। तो प्लीज़ फॉरगिव मी इफ़ आई एम नॉट एबल टू शेयर एवरीथिंग हियर। कुछ मिस आउट हो जाता है तो प्लीज़ फील फ्री, आप मुझे मैसेज करके पूछ सकते हैं। मेरे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे आप मैसेज कर दीजिए, आप मेरे फेसबुक पेज पे मैसेज करके पूछ सकते हैं, एंड आई विल ट्राई टू आंसर यू एज सून एज पॉसिबल। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। सबसे पहले आज हम ये हम आपके लिए कुर्ती लेके आए हैं। दी स्टफ इज कॉटन स्लब. It's a little thick stuff which you can comfortably wear in winters. इसमें आपको it has a beautiful print, fancy buttons. आप इसका प्रिंट अच्छे से देख लीजिए. If you can see, it has a beautiful print, fancy buttons and button-up sleeves. I hope you are able to see this. इसमें साइजेस आपको मिल जाएंगे स्मॉल, मीडियम, लार्ज, एक्सेल, डबल एक्सेल. द प्राइस फॉर दिस इज 1050. आपके फर्स्ट परचेज पे, जो भी आपका इन फैशन पे फर्स्ट परचेज रहेगा, उस पे वी विल गिव यू डिस्काउंट्स. सो टू नो द ऑफर्स एंड डिस्काउंट्स आप हमें मैसेज कीजिए. आपको जो प्रोडक्ट अच्छा लगता है उसके साथ आप अपनी क्वेरी भेजिए. वी विल शेयर वट एवर डिस्काउंट इज एप्लीकेबल ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट. हम आपको वो डिस्काउंट भी अवेलेबल कराएंगे. सो a last look on this kurti. Beautiful cotton slab printed kurti. The second stuff that we have brought is kurti and a bottom set. It's a narrow plazo with a beautiful embroidered kurti. This is the embroidery work here. Very nice work done here with beautiful tassels, colorful tassels here. इसके sleeves पे भी embroidery है. Beautiful winter color, gray and black with this contrast colorful embroidery work. अब मैं आपको इसके बॉटम दिखाता हूं. मैं इसका आपको द बॉटम इज ब्लैक I hope you are able to see. It has a very nice design. It has pockets. दोनों साइड पे इसके पॉकेट्स हैं. So this perfectly goes with this color. Please see. The price for this is 1450. 1450 is the price. The next that we are bringing here is again a kurti and a bottom set. The fabric is Kota Doria. If you see, it has beautiful print and beautiful sequence work done. साथ में इसमें गोटा की लाइनिंग दी गई है to make it a little more attractive. पीछे भी पूरा प्रिंटेड है. The fabric is Kota Doria. इसके साथ आपको पैंट्स मिल जाएंगी. These are the pants. ये इसके यहां पे भी वर्क दिया हुआ है. So I will just show you with this. White pants and the kurti. The fabric is Kota Doria. The price for this is 2000. The sizes available in this are medium and double XL. Next, what we have for you are these stretchable, extremely classy cotton pants. They are stretchable, very comfortable. It has these slits in the ankles. It has a pocket here in the front. The sizes available in this are medium, XL and double XL. We have multiple colors available in these pants. So I will show you all the available colors that are there. This is Rama green color. Same cotton stretchable pant. This is in Rama green color. Then we have blue that will go with most of your uppers, most of your colors. This will match with most of your colors. This is navy blue. The size available are medium, XL and double XL. Then we have this mehndi green color. In this color only XL size is available. Only XL is available in mehndi green. Then we have this red color. I will just open it and show it to you. This is red color in the pants. These are very, very comfortable pants. Fit for winters. very comfortable, very stylish. One more color that we have here is white. The sizes available in these are XL, double XL and 3XL. White is available till 3XL. Same stretchable pants. Very comfortable. So you can check for the color availability and the size availability through the WhatsApp. Next, what we have for you is a half jacket. You can wear it with denims, you can wear it with your suits. This will perfectly go with both. This can be adorned with your denims very smartly. If you're wearing jeans, आप jeans पहनते हैं, सूट पहनते हैं, किसी के ऊपर भी ये बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. इसमें मल्टीपल कलर्स अवेलेबल हैं हाफ जैक्स में. साइजेस आप चेक कर सकते हैं हमसे. अभी मैं फिलहाल आपको आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू वन कलर हेयर. देयर आर मल्टीपल कलर अवेलेबल. You can check for the availability of colors and sizes through WhatsApp, and the prices vary from 900 to 1100, 1150. This is the price range for half jackets. They come in different qualities, so the prices may differ from design to design. So this is a very smart indigo color half jacket. There are multiple colors available. We have multiple shades in black hand block print. We have mustards, we have pinks. So you can, if you're interested in buying a half jacket, you can WhatsApp us and we can show you all the collection that we have. The price for this indigo is 1150. This particular design is available only in size L. The price is 1150. The size available is L. Next, what we have here is a beautiful done kantha jacket. It's a kantha work handcrafted jacket, something which is a specialty from the Rajasthan. Beautiful color, all handwork done here, beautiful prints. In this particular color, the sizes available are XXL and large. We have more color options in this. I will try to show you two colors here, and then probably if you are interested you can ask for more options on our WhatsApp. This will go perfectly with ethnic as well as western wear. आप जीन्स के साथ पहन सकते हैं, सूट्स के साथ पहन सकते हैं. बहुत ही प्यारा काम किया हुआ है इस पे. कांथा वर्क बहुत अच्छा है और the quality is very good. It is not that normally is available online on different e-commerce platforms. The quality is very good. You can completely trust on the quality that you buy from us. This is the second color available in our Kantha work collection. This is again handcrafted, floral print है इसके ऊपर. Very smart, very stylish. Again, this can be worn over a suit and this can be worn over denims. This will perfectly, match with your wardrobe. So friends, this was our session this time. So please message us for more queries. आप हमारे Facebook पेज को ज्वाइन कीजिए, फॉलो कीजिए. Till next time, see you. Bye bye.